Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will learn the harakat. What is harakat in the Holy Quran and how do we pronounce harakat in the Holy Quran? We will learn in this lesson, in this video with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what are the harakat in the Holy Quran. What is mutaharrik letter in the Holy Quran and how do we pronounce the harakat or mutaharrik letter in the Holy Quran. We will learn all these things in this lesson with example. What are the harakat in the Holy Quran? Zabar, Zir and Pesh are called harakat. Zabar, Zir and Pesh are called harakat. This is the sign of Zabar, this is the sign of Zir and this is the sign of Pesh. Zabar is placed above the letter, on the letter or top of the letter. Zir is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter or under of the letter. Pesh is placed above the letter, on the letter or top of the letter. The plural of harkat is harakat. Zabar is called harkat, Zir is called harkat and Pesh is called harkat. Zabar, Zir and Pesh are called harakat. What is the mutaharrik letter in the Holy Quran? The letter which has harkat. That letter is called mutaharrik letter. Any letter which has harkat like Zabar, Zir or Pesh, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. How do we pronounce harakat or mutaharrik letter in the Holy Quran? This is the example of harakat, Zabar, Zir and Pesh. And this is the example of mutaharrik letter. This letter is mutaharrik because it has harkat zabar on it. This letter also called mutaharrik letter because it has zir harkat below it. And this letter also called mutaharrik letter because it has harkat pesh on it. Any letter which has any harkat like zabar, zir or pesh, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. How do we pronounce the harakat or mutaharrik letter in the Holy Quran? We pronounce the harakat or mutaharrik letter without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. How do we pronounce harakat or mutaharrik letter? Let's learn with Ism, Zir, Ji, Jim, Pesh, Ju, Ja, Ji, Ju. We pronounce harakat or we pronounce the mutaharrik letter in the Holy Quran without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. Once again, let's learn how do we pronounce harakat or mutaharrik letter. जीम ज़बर जा, जीम ज़ेर जी, जीम पेश जू, जा जी जू, जा जी जू, जा जी जू. Thanks for watching. This is the example of harakat or mutaharrik letter and how do we pronounce harakat in the Holy Quran. I daily upload a video. Kindly like and share this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.